going on, guys? Hope you're doing good. We're back on day 13. Day 13 for another SLSA Academy video. First, let's do a little review. So we have trends, which we learned in the first video. Break of structure, we learned in the video right after. I try to jam those two together, but the video was too long. We have fair value gaps and inverse fair value gaps, liquidity sweeps, which these last two are really important. But what's OB? What's OB or an order block? What's an order? I'm glad you asked. What is an order block? So, what is an order block? An order block is the very beginning of the trend when the orders get filled. And I'm gonna add actually a little more. Also, an area where price tends to come back and fill more orders. So I'm gonna do a little hypothetical chart drawing here, and then I'll explain this definition in the chart. So all right, let's say we're in a downtrend. And then I'm going to draw this line from the shift. And we shift to an uptrend. And then I'm going to leave it at that. Okay. So we are initially in a downtrend, right? And then we suddenly start going to an uptrend. So an order block is the very beginning, guys. So we have the very beginning of the trend. So this is the very beginning of the trend, right here, in this area. This is the very beginning of the trend, let's just say. Oops. Very beginning of the trend. These are the very beginning of the trend. This is almost like liquidity sweeps almost. This is the very beginning of the trend where all the orders got filled. So right here in this area were all the sell orders that got filled. As you can see right here in this hypothetical chart, sell orders were filled here, and then price dumped. So here we have sell orders. And then if we go down here, we see we have buy orders right here, because we get into this area of where buy orders are getting filled and all our liquidity is being filled right here, kind of like a liquidity sweep. So we have buy orders here. So we have that part, the very beginning of the trend, where the orders get filled for the trends to for the market to decide what trend it is. So obviously up here we had sell orders, which we went over, and down here we have buy orders. Now getting into the second part of the definition, my goodness, is also an area where price tends to come to fill more orders. Whenever a lot of people mistake like clean liquidity sweeps, let's say this is London highs up here that I have marked right here. Let's say this is London highs, and then price will come up, and then it will sweep right here, and it will go down, and then it will come back up again. A lot of people, so they see this is a lick sweep, but this is an order block right here where sell orders got filled so we can dump more. Understand? I hope. But back to our hypothetical chart. So where price tends to come in and fill more orders. All right. So in this little trend we have right here is an uptrend, obviously. And there's no liquidity sweep here. There's no line or draw of liquidity. Like the only draw would be like up here, but like still that's really iffy. But we come back down, fill more orders into this order block, and we go do. Now these are harder to find on charts since a lot of it is just liquidity sweeps, honestly. But I'll try my best for you guys. No promises. Do you guys see what I see? Do you guys see what I see? I see an order block here. Here we have the very beginning of the trend, so we have an uptrend and then dump, the dump trend. So So we have this uptrend and then the dump trend right here. So I'm the very beginning of the trade. So this is the very beginning of the down trade. We have this up here. I like to do like the first 2 candles maybe. So here we have our order block, guys. And this was a little iffy because of price was choppy here, but it's still an order block nonetheless. It actually goes up a tad bit more. All right, order block, the beginning of our very beginning of our trade. We have sell orders up here. So we have sell orders, boop, and then we go, brrr, and then price is like, I need more orders. Then we go back in here, brrr, maybe like 3 times as more sell orders were filled here apparently. Because look at this, look at the huge dump right here. That's an order block. You guys can screenshot this honestly. I'll try to zoom in more. I'll make this a 30-minute time frame because it looks a lot less choppy. 30-minute time frame if you guys want to. And I'll put like a little note. So orders filled in the order block. Okay. Three, 2, 1. I'll try to find another one for you guys. Opening gap. This wasn't. Was this week? Oh yeah, no, it wasn't this week's. Oh, one right here as well. Oh, no. I just lost it. No. Wait, did I? Chat, did I just lose it? No. Okay. It's still really iffy. Like I said, this isn't like a super. Actually, I don't know if I ever mentioned this. This isn't a. Oh crap! There's a lot of people who go profitable. That I went profitable without even knowing what an order block was. So it's possible, but it's still just nice to know, have in your back pocket per se. Here we have one. So here we have this immense dump trend. Like, look at this. Like, we're dying right here, basically. We're bleeding out. ES is bleeding out. And then we get into this order block. So here's our new uptrend. And it's okay if it goes like through it a little bit. It's not going to be exact, especially since we're on the 30-minute time frame. But sometimes it is exact, like the example I showed you earlier. But here in this case, it isn't. So here in this area, obviously we went from a huge downtrend to this uptrend. So we have this area right here where buy orders are getting filled. All of these orders are buy orders. So just like a fair value gap that gets filled. Oops, I'm sorry. Price comes in here, fills this order block, even though it's not a gap, it still fills it. If it fills more orders, fulfills more buy orders, which ultimately sends price from this range to all the way up here. Just because it went and fulfilled more buy orders. Oh crap. I'm so used to marking liquidity lines with that, bro. For all the way up here. Whatever. You guys get the gist. Right there. Just because it went back down, fulfilled more buy orders, and then we launched up, guys. This isn't that complicated of a video. I was honestly debating even if I should teach order blocks in the bootcamp because, you know, it's not that important. And honestly, you don't really need it to go profitable. But I'm here to teach you guys everything I personally know about the markets. So that's what I'm going to do. So just a little review. I mean, it's nothing crazy. I have my drawing over here if you guys want me to go back to this. I know how much you guys... I know you guys love my drawings, by the way. You guys like try to hide it, but you guys just like can't. And that's cool. That's cool and all. If you guys want to... Oh, wait, sorry. I gotta draw my line. And we'll say this liquidity line. Well, here, I should make it more realistic. There you guys go. If you guys want to, here, Yeah, so sell side OB, and then buy side OB. Sell side OB, when you're selling the market, you're shorting, you're wanting it to go down, and buy side is when you're wanting to long it, you're wanting it to go up. So we have sell side order block and buy side order block. Sell side means we're in favor of the selling because we have sell orders, and then we have buy side. You guys understand? Screenshot this. Do whatever you want with it. Really, actually, you guys get that. 3, 2, 1, and then we'll go over here to my other stuff. Guys, what'd you guys do with my... Guys, what'd you guys do with it? Oh, here it is. And if you guys want to screenshot this. If you guys want to screenshot that as well. Three, 2, 1, 0. Boom. So you guys, not that complicated. Again, order blocks aren't as important as like liquidity sweeps, fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, stuff like that. I also encourage you guys, whenever you're like looking for trades of any sort of really confirmation you're looking for, like an inverse fair value gap, a fair value gap, look on the 5-minute time frame. I love the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame makes me kind of want to make out with it. I can't even. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. But guys, like, this could be a possible order block. I don't know. I'm not telling you it is. I'm not telling you it isn't. It's just a possible order block. I'm pretty sure we reached all-time highs today. Is that true, guys? Someone fact check me on that. Let's look. We'll look together. We raped all-time highs. That is all-time highs, right? Yeah, it's all-time highs. Wow, that's pretty cool. We absolutely railed all-time highs, and then like, we're just gonna consolidate, really. Who knows what this is, though? Possible order block. I'm not saying it is, not saying it isn't. I'm not too sure. But let's say we're looking at the 5-minute time frame, and we're looking for like confirmation. Okay, we're looking for some confirmation. Look at this. Look at this 5-minute gap, and look at this. Is this 9:30? This is 9:30. This is kind of a cheat code. That's kind of a cheat code. Oh, I guess we're on the 5-minute time frame, so who cares? So at 10:10, look, we go woo, woo, woo. We fill more orders. What? Look at that. And we go. Okay. Dummy and girl. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. By the way, I did try shorting this. Where is it though? Here, I'll show you guys my trade of the day. Cause you guys. Oh wait. Actually, I don't think I will be able to find it in time. Oh, this is totally it. This is totally where we're at. All-time high. Yeah, we were all-time highs. And then we had this 5-minute inverse fair value gap that we inversed. Here, I'll show you guys on the top. It. Don't be like that. Don't be like that, bro. Oh, here we go. We had this 5-minute gap from candle 1 to 2, and then 3 gap candle, and then we inversed that gap. And then so I'm gonna get rid of this because it's kind of confused me. When did I short? When did I short? When did I short, guys? No, not this again. Don't be like that. Hold up, give me a second. Hold up, guys. I know I don't have much time. Oh, I didn't even show. Oh, crap, man. Guys, it's gone. I can't find my trade. I don't know, guys, but I gotta go. And because I only have 20 seconds left. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys later. Work hard. I'll be praying for you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, Instagram, Discord, and Discord server in the link. Instagram in the description, and Discord name in the description. See ya. Bye. Love you.